So after I applied the green color to the body, I moved on to the interior and finished that completely. And after that, I decided to repaint the body. So the interior style is based on the green car. Luckily, it also suits the blue car. So of course, I prepped and primed all the parts before moving on to painting them all in black and then adding some color onto some other parts. So alongside all of those black parts, I decided to add some very dark blue on top of some other parts like the door cards, the bottom of the dashboard, and the seats themselves to give a nice contrast but not go too overboard. It's a bit different, but it's not really visible unless you look up very close. I have some pictures at the end of the video on which it shows the color of the blue a lot better than on the video itself. The flocking was applied on top of some X22 clear from Tamiya to act as a glue, and then of course just sprinkled on top to stick it down. After the carpet got some time to cure, I moved on to adding some silver details all over, firstly on the detail, then on the shifter, and also some other buttons and pieces on the interior itself. On the door cards there were a couple of chrome strips that needed to be applied. I tried painting them on with some silver paint. Didn't really go all too well, so I just took out some bare metal foil and used that instead. A couple of the metal transfer stickers that were supplied with the kit got applied on various parts and pieces from the dashboard and also the center console, and then I also added all of the various decals for the gauges and logos. With most of the detailing now done, I could move on to some minor assembly before adding a couple more final details to the dashboard with a couple of buttons that needed to be painted in various colors. After those final buttons were painted and are ready to go, I could move on to the final assembly of the major pieces and finish the interior off.